In this digital era, our notebooks play a key role in our daily lives. Life is full of unpredictable moments. If an accident happens, are you covered? Protect your notebook with Accidental Damage Protection from ASUS. Liquid spills, unexpected falls, or collision. Purchase Accidental Damage Protection. ASUS covers the necessary parts and labor to get you back up and running. Time flies, but ASUS Premium Care stays with you. ASUS Premium Care, your device's ASUS Care. ASUS Premium Care provides a variety of service configurations designed to support your own unique lifestyle. Purchase Premium Care now. You will have a brand new experience with ASUS service.